Hi, so this is a demonstration and user journey video of Zupli, which is a card drawer, a customizable card drawer that helps merchants increase conversions using card goals, rewards, upsells, and timers. In this video, I'll demonstrate how a merchant configures campaign, installs the app, selects a plan, and how the card appears to customers on the storefront, and how merchants can customize the card experience also. So after installing the app, there are two, three onboarding questions, but since we've already installed on the store, the questions won't come. After that, you can select a plan. On the onboarding also you get an option to select a plan. You can subscribe to a plan and based on the order value, the plan will be selected. So this is the dashboard where you have options to create campaigns, view all your campaigns, check the scarcity timer, enable, disable in the settings, upsell products, change the cart appearance. We'll go to creating a campaign first, where you have two different types of campaigns. One is your cart goal campaign. The merchant selects what goals they want. We'll have two different campaigns here. We have product quantity based or cart value based. So if you select cart value based, you can have different product as gifts. You can have complete order discount or you can have free shipping. If you select order discount and if you keep, for example, the goal as $1,500 and you can have the percentage off or amount off. You can have multiple of goals. You can have multiple of products as gifts. You can select the products as gifts. You can have more goals and you can check the preview also of the goals here. Same way, there are text options which you can select as the text above and the text below the progress bar. The content of it can be changed from here, where you have the text below the progress bar, above the progress bar before achievement of the goal. After achievement of the goal, you can have your offer titles, you can have your offer subtitles. Same way, you can edit text for each goal. You can even select what date do you want to start the progress bar goal campaign to run on, and you can even select the end date for that. Similarly, in campaigns, you can create more campaigns where you have your buy X get Y campaign. You can create a campaign where you have free gifts, which are automatic free gifts added to the cart. There are product based, uh, spend X on collection or collection based or store wide. So this is what you can set your requirements to be when where you want the free gift to be applied. You can select the number of quantities also of the product you want, where you want the free gift to be applied. You can select any product. You can do, and you can select the number of gifts also as a single product, or you can have multiple of variants also as a free gift. So at the front end, you can have a lot of options. Similarly, you can have your content changed for your gift, where you have your batch title, offer title, subtitles. Similarly, you have your dates. You can see all your campaigns at one place also, where you have your buy X campaigns, your card goals campaigns. You can name the campaigns also however you want. Once you edit that, you can open the campaign page. Now, this is a scarcity timer, which you see on the cart drawer, which is you can have your timer for a specified duration, and this is a timer to a specific date and time. So now we have set the timer as 5 minutes. So the timer will run for 5 minutes, and you can have your settings where you have your messages before the timer expires, message after the timer expires, and after timer expire, you want to refresh the timer, you clear the card. Similarly, you can have your overall campaign, which is your scarcity timer and start date also. Now the next we have is upsell. So you have one click upsell products, and you have also a list of products which is like your you might also like. So in one click upsell products, you can show like frequently bought together, and you can have a different. For example, you can select a different product for that which you want to promote more. So you want to change the text of the upsell product, because if you want, suppose for example, of gift wrapping as that, so you can select a checkbox which is not an actual product, but you can, if it's a checkbox, then you can add a free gift as a checkbox, so it will be automatically added in the cart. You can show that in the cart item list also. You can, if the product has more variants, so you can have that option if they want to select a variant, or automatically the first variant is added. Similarly, the upsell products have a lot of products. options where you can have a number of related products. And what does the button do? You can have redirect to the product page or add the product to cart. You can show the layout as carousel, list, card. If this is manual, so you have to manually select all the products. The related and complementary comes through the search and discovery app of Shopify. Now we have cart appearance, where you can select a preload of themes created by us, and you can see what each theme looks like. A lot of colors and a lot of different styling options available in each theme. Here you can see the live preview also of each theme. This is the announcement bar text, which is auto scrolling, as we have already added two messages. If it's a single message, it's not auto scrolling. If you have more than one message, you can enable auto scrolling. This message, and you can turn on auto scrolling. Similarly, you have your cart options where you can show or hide the offer sections. You can show or hide the complete shopping button. This is done when the product has the cart has zero products. This is the widget which is there on the entire website, which is visible on all pages of the store where you have your cart widget. You can even select the option to show it or no. You can select on left of the screen or right of the screen, and you can vertically position to, and you can select the color also. This is by default selected on the theme. There are a lot of options where you can change and select the colors where you want. For example, if you select a gradient, the start color and end color is taken as a gradient. You can have a progress bar, buttons, text buttons, and all each and every button. You can select the button colors also. You can change that. Similarly, you have your advanced settings where you have your CSS overrides and JS overrides where you can select. Even you have your header elements to refresh on cart update and additional product page add to cart buttons, so you can add them here. You can change each and every text on the cart, on the header, on the footer, on the side cart, offer sections. So here you have your offer sections also, which can be seen on the preview. You have logged and logged as text, you can change that. Illustrate the customer experience on the storefront. When a customer adds the cart drawer automatically opens. As you can see, we are adding the product to the cart drawer automatically opens, and you can see the progress bar, the announcement bar, which we had added, which has two different options, and this is your scarcity timer. After that, to achieve goals, you can see the offers also here, which are unlocked currently. You add more products to the cart, offer is unlocked. You can add more products to the cart to unlock even a free gift. So automatically a free gift is added. You can see the offers is unlocked. One more offer is there, which we can check by adding another product to the cart, which will add one more free gift to the cart. Which so all of the product offers are unlocked. You can even add a note if any discount coupon code is applied. That is also applied through here. You can even access the cart drawer to the widget, which is added from here.